Hey love, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something that can totally change your skin barrier. If you're struggling with redness, breakouts, dry patches, or dullness, your skin barrier might be the one crying for help. Let's fix that, gently, naturally, and effectively. What even is the skin barrier? Think of your skin barrier as your skin's personal bodyguard. It protects you from pollution, harsh weather, bacteria, and moisture loss. But when it's damaged, that's when you see irritation, sensitivity, and inflammation show up. Step 1 in healing it: simplicity. Seriously, stop overwhelming your skin with 10+ steps. Right now, your skin needs comfort, not chaos. Use a gentle, hydrating cleanser, a calming toner or facial mist, and a few key ingredients to rebuild your barrier. No exfoliating acids, no stripping alcohols, no harsh scrubs. Use products that support your skin, not stress it out. Here are some barrier-loving favorites you should absolutely look for. Ceramides. These are like mortar between your skin cells. They help lock in moisture and keep irritants out. Panthenol, vitamin B5, deeply soothing, hydrating, and perfect for stressed or sensitive skin. Centella asiatica, an herbal extract that reduces redness and supports healing. Hyaluronic acid. It pulls water into your skin. Just make sure to seal it in with a good moisturizer afterward. Jojoba oil, lightweight, non-comedogenic, balances oil and nourishes deeply. Rosehip seed oil, rich in fatty acids and antioxidants. It helps restore damaged skin and fade marks over time. And once or twice a week, try a hydrating mask or a barrier repair sleeping mask. Your skin will drink it up. You don't need a 10-step routine, just the right steps. Sun protection. Even if you're just working by a window, UV rays are still reaching you. And sun damage plus a weak barrier equals a recipe for irritation. Wear a broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher every single day. Yes, even on cloudy days. Yes, even in winter. No excuses, love. Your future self will thank you. Stress, sleep, hydration, gut health, they all matter. Now here's the part most people overlook. Your inner world shows on your skin. Chronic stress raises cortisol, which weakens your barrier. Poor sleep blocks your skin from repairing itself overnight. Not enough water? Your skin won't stay plump or hydrated. An imbalanced gut can lead to breakouts and inflammation. So take care of your mind, eat nourishing whole foods, drink your water, and rest well. Your skin will reflect the love you give yourself. Treat your skin like a garden. Your skin is not a problem to be fixed. It's a living, breathing part of you that thrives with care, not punishment. Be gentle, be patient, be consistent. Give it what it needs, not what the latest trend says. Let me know in the comments what your skin barrier journey has been like. And if this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more skin wisdom. Love you always. See you in the next one.